Greetings. My name is Keisha Nzewi, co-founder and woman in charge of Black Californians United for Early Care and Education, or Black ECE. I'm a Black woman, daughter, wife, and mother, and like Kendrick Lamar says, I've got royalty inside my DNA. Each day I wake up Black, I'm enamored by my skin, my hair, my lips. I look at my daughter in amazement, wondering how can anyone see anything other than intelligence and grace? The short film Black Joy Manifesto begins with the words, "Dear Black people, look at you. Look. Do you see who you are? You are a miracle. You are love wrapped in skin. You are beautiful." Black ECE was founded in 2021 and launched last year just for that reason, to make sure our youngest Black children, Black families, and Black child care providers know all of this to be true. Childcare in the United States began with chattel slavery when stolen African women and their descendants were forced to care for the children of their white enslavers. It is literally because childcare is rooted in slavery that every childcare provider today is severely underpaid. But Black women, whose role is likely to be holding the babies, earn on average 78 cents per hour less than everyone else. Further, white so-called supremacist values have led experts who have primarily been white women academics to suppose that Black parents are far less expert on their own children than other parents. And as a result, throughout history until today, our system assumes that it is harmful for Black children to be in the care of their own family members or home-based child care providers. And my Nana was both, pushing Black children into institutional settings as early as possible. As a result, today we have early learning spaces that do not affirm Black culture, language, or values. At Black ECE, we've developed a 10-point policy plan focused solely on Black children, Black families, and the Black childcare workforce. We are unapologetic in our approach, showing up in the Capitol explicitly demanding Black children, families, and childcare educators get what they need and want, like eliminating the racial wage gap, being allowed the full choices of childcare available, having access to all the career choices in ECE field, and reparations. We will achieve this through relentless statewide and local advocacy in partnership with families and childcare providers. Just as important, we're creating space for Black children, families, and early educators to feel affirmed, valued, and to be able to look in the mirror and see who they are. Next year, we're launching a culturally affirming, family and provider-supporting subscription box filled with activities and resources for those who love on Black children. These boxes will be available for purchase by families and early educators and large childcare providers so they can give them to the children in their care. And because nothing brings out Black families like good food and music, we're hosting literal cookouts for Black families to gather with their children, enjoy fellowship and learning. In the song, "It's a Good Day to Fight the System" by Shungudzo, she says, "We're never going to stop. We're going to make it count. When one of us is tired, the other one will hold it down." Well, I'm really proud that since securing our 501c3 last fall, Black ECE has raised $300,000, allowing me to begin working full-time this summer. But we need more people to hold it down when I get tired. Help us bring more hands and hearts into this work by reaching our $1 million goal in the next year. I can't wait for you to join our movement. Thank you.